Good morning. Most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of CSIR UGC NET December 2025 examination of Chemical Science Chemistry. You will get a proper solution with the short trick of each question and with their concept. Okay. So now we will start the question number one. Question number one is that in this question, the correct option of bond length A of the metal alkyl and metal alkyl diene. Okay, there are the two types of the bonding is given. One is the metal bonded with the carbon double bond and metal with bonded carbon with triple bond, diene and diene. Okay, respectively, and the corresponding C13 NMR chemical shift ppm of the complex below. In this complex, we will find a bond length according to the C13 NMR chemical shift, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, and ppm. Bond length should be in ppm. And there are the four options is given in this question. So according to the NMR spectroscopy, we can find the exact bond length in between the metal ion. Okay. There are the two types of the bonding is given. One is the double bond and second is the triple bond. Okay. Now start the solution. And what is the concept behind this question? And concept is this. Uh, they are asking about the bond length. So first you have an idea about the bond length in the angstrom or any other unit. So metal alkyl. There are the two types of the bond is given. Number one is the metal alkyl din, that is the M double bond C. Metal M means metal and this is for the alkyl. Okay. And second option is given metal alkyl diene, that is the triple bond. Metal alkyl diene. And given is the M triple bond C. Okay. Has a longer bond length. In both bond length, double bond alkyl bond length M double bond C has a longer bond length and a more downfilled higher ppm. This bond length is the longer and shifting in the shifting in the NMR spectroscopy, because of we are talking about the C13 NMR spectroscopy. So in this spectroscopy, metal alkyl bond length is the longer as compared to this, and shifting in the downfield, that is the at a higher ppm, okay, and shift compared to the metal alkyl diene. Okay. So now we are writing the shifting M double bond C alkyl D approx 1.94 angstrom. Okay, according to the our data, the shifting at 1.94 angstrom. And in the question, they are asking the bond length in the ppm. So we have to convert this angstrom into the ppm. So that is the 256 ppm. Okay. So shifting of the N double bond C metals alkyl is the 256 ppm. And second one is the third alkyl approx 1.78 angstrom, and also write in the ppm 296 ppm. Okay, 296 ppm. We have got the two types of the carbon 13 NMR shifting according to the given bonding, and bond length is the 256 ppm and 296 ppm. Now match our answer with given options. Now write a correct option according to our concept. The correct option is the 1.94 and 1.78 angstrom, and also 256 ppm and 296 ppm. So now match the our answer with options, given options. In these options, option number 1, 194, option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct answer, 194 and 194 double bond and 194 triple bond and 256 double bond and 296 triple bond. Okay, option number 2 is the correct answer. Clear? So we can calculate the bond length on the basis of the shifting, and first you will identify what is the data of the double bond shifting and triple bond shifting, and you can find the exact value in the ppm. Okay, thank you.